Hi teachers, I'm going to show you how to get a Vimeo video to play for your students. Right now Vimeo is blocked by the state, but if you can get the embed code and put it into Schoology, it will play. So right now I'm in Achieve, and this link right here is a Vimeo video, and when I click on it you can see it's blocked. But it does tell me the URL, and I know this video is one I want to use. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go to another website, and this is the best one I've found. I'm sure there are others. This one is called codegina.com, and maybe you can Google it. I'll also have it in our course. But it's Vimeo Embed Code Generator. And so what you do is you paste in, I already had it there, but you paste in the video. There are some advertisements, so you have to ignore that. Scroll down, and then you click Generate Code. Okay? Then you can copy that. Return to Schoology. You can put it right into a page, or you can put it in course materials. I'm going to put it right into this Vimeo video page. So I'm going to go to Edit. That's that reminder of where that website was, where I got the embed code from. I'm going to click up here where it says Insert Content, Image Media, From the Web, Media. Now I can paste that embed code. I'm going to right click paste, insert it. I can adjust the size as I can with any media. I click Save Changes, and let's see if it works. There it is. So that is the way. There are some other ways too, and there's some ways that you can search for Vimeo videos within Schoology, but this was the objective of this video. So I hope it helped. Bye.